first order. This is McDonald's, $8.25 going at 2.5 miles.
There we go.
Your destination is on the right.
Total ended up being $8.75. Small hidden tip there. And I'm not really sure what's going on. Well, I just got blocked in by this garbage truck, so now we're waiting, I guess. I think I'm gonna take this Chick-fil-A order, $8.75 going 5.5 miles. Actually ready on time. Nice. Just got my next order. Hopefully it's as smooth as the last one. This is another Chick-fil-A, $11 going 5 miles.
It should be up in just a minute or so.
Gotcha. Next order came in as I was dropping that one off. This is Jack in the Box, $10 going 3 miles.
All right, just go for the window, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. You too. Next order up is a different Jack in the Box. This one is $10 going 2 miles.
Have a good morning.
You too. Thank you. Finally got my next order. This one is for crumble cookie, $7 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Wait a minute. Did she tell me to enjoy? I think that means I can have one. Total ended up being $7.75 for that order. Small hidden tip. Kind of a weird order here, but I think I'm gonna take it. This is a stack. Shop and deliver for alcohol and cherries. Both going to the same customer, $9.25 going 9.5 miles. Okay, it looks like it's only one item for the alcohol part of the order, so this should go pretty smoothly, I think.
Decline non-commercial fund.
Bit of a hiccup there, but at least it gives Sherry's a little bit more time to complete their end of the deal. Hello. Morning. Give me a second just to drop my phone. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Sir,
You have a good day.
have a good day.
Next order up is an IHOP, $8.25 going 4 miles. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This is $8.75 going 5 miles. Next order up is a McDonald's. This is $8.50 going 5 miles.
So we
we actually don't have any ice cream at the moment, and I just haven't had the opportunity to come over to ask you if you could contact them because we've been having a hard time contacting them ourselves.
4S0?
Yep.
Have a good day.
You too. Next order up is a KFC. This is $8.25 going 5.5 miles.
Who are you here for?
Greg, DoorDash.
Okay, what is his items? Because I got 2 Greg S's. Are you here for a pickup? Okay, yeah. It's all gonna be just a minute.
Had a body cam like.
Hello, guys.
Thank you. That was horrible. The wait was long and people kept talking to me. Not a fan. And of course this person's address is impossible to find. Bro. Well, I haven't been in this situation before. I can't figure out how to get to the customer's address, and I've already circled the block twice, and I still can't figure it out. So now what?
Yeah.
Okay, then I think I know where it is. I just didn't want to like break into someone's place. There you are. All of that trouble for $8.25. Anyways, I'm done. I am so over it. So I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 11:47 now. Total is like 112. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.